Hey, keto warriors. Are you struggling with carb cravings, stress eating, or just feeling overwhelmed on your journey? You're not alone. Today, I'm going to share one of the most overlooked secrets to keto success: creating your own personal safe space. Stay tuned, because this simple habit could be the game changer you really need. Number 1, choose a location for your personal safe space. The first step is to pick a spot that's just right for you. It could be a cozy chair, a quiet corner, or even an outdoor space. The goal? A distraction-free zone where you can relax and stay focused on your keto goals. This space becomes your mental reset button, perfect for those moments when cravings hit or motivation dips. Number 2, add relaxing and motivating elements to your personal safe space. Now let's make it inviting. Add things that bring you peace and motivation. Maybe a vision board with your keto goals, some essential oils for relaxation, or even a keto journey where you track progress and non-scale victories. The more positive energy in this space, the stronger your mindset will be. Number 3, use it for mindful activities, your personal safe space. Finally, don't just set it and forget it. Use this space for activities that keep you on track. Meditate, stretch, journal, or just sit and breathe. Every 5 minutes a day can help reduce stress, boost willpower, and keep you committed to your keto lifestyle. So, if you're truly serious about staying on track with your keto journey, build your safe space today. Let me know in the comments, where would your perfect keto space be? And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss out on more keto tips. See you in the next one.